Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Carta login problems, investor and admin access errors step by step clearly. To begin troubleshooting login problems with Carta, ensure you are using the correct URL for the login page. Next, check your internet connection to confirm you are connected and that it is stable. If you are encountering access errors, clear your browser's cache and cookies, as this can resolve many login issues. After clearing your cache, close and reopen your browser. Attempt to log in again using your email and password. If you still have issues, ensure that you are entering your credentials correctly. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so double check for any typing errors. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate a password reset. Follow the instructions provided in the email you received to choose a new password. If you are an admin and cannot access your account, verify that your access permissions are correctly configured within the Carta system. If access permissions seem correct, try logging in from a different browser or device to see if the issue persists. Sometimes, browser extensions can interfere with login processes, so try disabling them temporarily. If you are still facing problems, consider reaching out to Carta support for further assistance. Provide them with a detailed description of the issue to help speed up the troubleshooting process. Keep your account information handy, as it may be needed for verification. Lastly, check for any ongoing maintenance notices on the Carta website that might affect login capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.